Set the fire, put in oil, and fry the chili and the onion. Cook until it turns golden brown and the smell of the onions is coming out. Add the chili and the clam. When you're cooking a clam, guys, you have to stir fry, and then because if you're stirring fry, it will slowly open the shells. And also the sauce will come out, so I add a bit of cooking wine. Clam is a common name for some kinds of bivalve mollusk. Only this name applied to those edible kinds of clams and leave us in fauna. Clam is a kind of culinary sand, spends their lives halfway buried in the sand or the narrow seafloor or in riverbanks. Some clam has a lifelong of 1 year and some other can be reached 500 years old. Clam has two calcareous shells joined in and have a flexible ligament. In some religions like Judaism, clam is considered as non-edible, but in some Islam, clam is halal. Perfect. Thank you for watching.